National Weather Service in State College has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, north central Somerset County in south central Pennsylvania, until 9:45 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Johnstown, Westmont, Belmont, Nanty-Glo, Guystown, Southmont, Vinco, Dale, East Conemaugh, South Fork, Sidman, St. Michael, Daisytown, Ehrenfeld, Tyre Hill, Elam, Lundy's Corner, Lorraine, Brownstown and Summerhill. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in Be cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties: Cambria and Somerset.